Okay, so let's talk about the quality of finishes and how homes are physically built, how homes are constructed, okay? So how the materials that actually go into the physical construction of the home are very important. Are they using a certain type of screws? Are they using cheaper nails? Are the nails galvanized? These things are small, and they're small costs, but they do make a big impact on the overall build and the quality of the build. Same thing with drywall. So you can do a half-inch drywall, and which is kind of building standard. So there's nothing wrong with it per se, but there's the next level up is 5/8 inch, which is what we use. We use 5/8, and then the next level up after that is 3/4 inch drywall. What is the impact of each type of drywall? Well, it helps with noise dampening. Okay, it helps with heating and insulation and stuff like that. Then you have different levels of insulation. You have a really cheap pink fiberglass roll-in. Okay, then you have something that's called like a Rockwell, and no, not Rockwell Real Estate, rock wool insulation. It's especially thick, a little bit thicker, it's a little bit denser, has better insulation. It's better for sound dampening. We use that in between floors. Why? Because people could stand and they could stomp on the LVP flooring upstairs, and and dampens the footsteps, so you don't hear it as much. Dampens in between walls. Really, really good. Okay. Now, again, type of paint. You could use a really, really cheap paint, or you could use a crazy expensive paint. We like to go somewhere in the middle. Why? Because the paint that we use might last 10, 15 years, or let's say 10 years. It might last 10 years versus a really cheap paint might only last 3 to 4 years. So painting efficiency, and also the more expensive stuff, you can also do one layer of primer and one layer of really solid paint if you're spraying it, and that's all you need. Less paint, because of such a good quality, actually goes further. Same thing with like electrical, right? There's different types of lights, different types of wires running, different types of plumbing. So we use PEX plumbing a lot. We also use a lot of copper. The materials that go into your home, besides just the finishes like the cabinets and the countertops, really matter. So the plumbing matters, the flooring matters, the roofing matters, the insulation matters, the drywall matters. All of these things can have a combined significant impact on your energy code, your sound dampening, your energy efficiency, and how much it actually costs to heat and cool your house. So build quality matters. Also, when it comes to doing, to keeping like moisture out, insects out, mildew, rats, all these things are important. So that the build quality of your home makes a difference. So make sure to pay attention.